following source files: climate.rtf, country_code.csv, degrees.csv, emissions.csv, evidence.rtf, organic.rtf, then students.csv. Task 1, evidence document. Open the file N2402 evidence.rtf. So you go to your source file folder. Here is it. Open it. Then enable editing. Make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number appear on every page of this document. So you go to insert, header, your name, center number, and your candidate number. Then save this document in your work area as evidence, followed by your candidate number. For example, let it look like this. Okay, so I'm going to save that. So go to file, save as, then receive it from this, and I'm going to save it here in my paper too. Then I'm going to save it, followed by your candidate number, I guess. Okay, good. Then save it as a Word document. Okay, the next one is task 2. Note that evidence document will be used to take screenshots. You're going to edit a document about organic farming. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles must be created and applied as instructed. So using a suitable software package, open the file N2402 organic.rtf. This is step 1. So you open organic. Here is it. Okay, enable editing, and it looks like this. The page setup is set to A4. Landscape orientation, 2 cm margins. Do not make any changes to this. You can only confirm that, if you go to layout, paper size, A4, margins, orientation, already set. Margin also, custom margins, 2 cm. Okay, that is 0.79 in inches. That's the equivalent of 2 cm. But of course, you can try to put it in 2 cm. If your Microsoft Word has not been set to centimeter, make sure you set it before the exam. Like mine, it was not yet set to centimeter. That's why I'm having this, but I can change it to centimeter. Okay, so then you say okay with that. So it's very simple. You can as well change to metrics. You can just go to file type, file tab here, then you go to options. Just want you to see that. Then go to advanced tab, then from advanced tab scroll down to display session here. So show measurements in units of, instead of inches you can say centimeters. Okay, so I think that makes sense. Centimeters. Then click OK. Okay, let's try to see it now. Okay, you see it in centimeter. Margins also, custom margin in centimeter. So you can do that, so you don't need to have issues with the measurements. Okay, let's continue with our actual question. 3 paragraph styles have already been created and applied to the text. Do not make any changes to these. Okay, you can see the paragraph styles. You can see them. Let me open up this. Okay, you see off body, off title, off title, and off table. Okay, these are the 3. Then don't make any changes to them as you have been told in the question. Save the document in your work area with the file name organic. So I'll just save it in my work area, save as. I'm saving here. I'll save it as organic. Then I change it to Word document. Let me check the question. Make sure it is saved in the format of the software you're using, and that's why I'm picking Word document here. And I click save. Okay, I have that. Then place in your evidence document. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this has been saved, not is about to be saved, has been saved. Make sure that there is evidence of the file type for 1 mark. So because of that, you go to your source file folder where you are saving it, or your work area as the case may be. In my case, here is it. Then I show the file type, this type, so I can click on this and take the screenshot to show it has been saved. So good. And I take it and paste it in my evidence document. That should be step 1. So I'll paste it in my evidence document. So let me zoom in so that you can see. Then the next one, remove any page breaks from the organic document. So if there's any inherited page break, you can remove it. So just come, let me remove this for now, and go to click on this. This is going to show you everywhere you have page break or paragraph break. When you click on this, show or hide for breaks, okay, anywhere you see, okay, there's a page break here, you can see one. Let me see, there's another one here too. Those are the 2 places where we have page break. So to remove the page break, I can place my cursor here after the full stop. Let me zoom in so that you can see that. Then I press Ctrl Delete. Okay, the page break has been removed for that. And I go to this place again after the full stop. Okay, I press Ctrl Delete on my keyboard and the page break is removed. So there is no more page break. So I can hide this again. So I see that that is perfectly done. And the next one is place in this document a right align header with automated page numbers. Right align header with automated page number. So I go to insert header, I pick 3, right align with automated page number. So I come to page number and I pick current position. So you can pick any of these. Okay, what else? A right align footer on a single line with the text guide produced by. Okay, copy this, followed by a space, then your name, center number and cardinal number. Okay, followed by a space, your name, center number and candidate number for this right aligned footer on a single line. Okay, so I say go to footer and I go to right align. I pick footer right align. So then I'm going to replace this with what I copied. This is keeps, okay, followed by a space, your name, center number and candidate number. In my case, let me use 001. Don't forget a single line, so you should not break to the next line. Okay, let's check the next thing. Then make sure that all of the footer details are on a single line. The header and footer are aligned to the right margin, no other text or placeholder. So I'm going to remove other placeholder. That's the instruction. And I go also to this, remove other placeholder from the header. Then I close header and footer. So right and right. Okay, good. Then all of this done for 3 marks. Select the subheading, what is organic farming, and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending looking after the license. What is organic farming? Yeah, this is it. And then up to where? Up to look after the license. To look after the license, I can even search. I can use the navigation. I can press Ctrl F and type the navigation to looking after the lines. So here is it. So this way my selection will end. So from the first page, what is organic, I will select till here. That's where, okay, good. According to the instruction, after I've selected, then change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 1.5 centimeter space between the columns. So after I've selected, I come to layout, I pick columns, more columns, 2 columns, then the spacing between will be 1.5 according to the instruction, 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. Then I say okay. Yeah, I have it this way. Good. Let me close this navigation pane for now. Okay, this is neat. Then for 2 marks, sort the bulleted list from mixed crops for pest control to as compost and green manure into alphabetical order. Okay, here is it. As compost and green manure. Okay, alphabetical order. So I'm going to select this. Then to sort it, I come back to home. Then I come to our sort here. Then in alphabetical order, that is ascending. Paragraph. Okay, that's what I'm going to pick. Paragraph. Okay. So okay, you see B, C, C, F, M, N. That's correct. Then the next one, that's for 1 mark. Format this list so that star shaped bullets replace the existing bullets. So while I have it selected, I go to bullets settings and I pick star. If I can't see star, then I can say I can pick more option, you know, to select the one I want. I can say define new bullet. Then I go and pick, instead of this, I can say more symbol. If I have star, let me see the star. Let me look for the star. Okay, star, 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 star. So this looks like it. Does it? No, not perfectly. So you search further, you see star. Okay, just pick the star when you see it. This is not star, this is close. Then you search, you search, you search. Okay, you search, oh, sorry, until you see the one that looks like it. So you can try it again. So from here you can change the font to Wingding 2. Wingding 2. Oh, okay, you can see them, all the stuff. So this looks exactly like it. Okay, okay, what else? Change it. The bullets are indented 2 centimeters from the left margin. So you go back again, 2 centimeter indentation from the left. So 2 centimeter, put 2 centimeters. What else? So say okay, that's 2 centimeter. Okay, from the left margin. Let me confirm that again. 2 centimeter, and then let me see this. Okay, 2 centimeter. Okay, I think it's better the way it was, 2 centimeter. Okay, you can also pick the ruler and see whether it's 2 centimeter. This is from here to here 1 centimeter, from here to here 2, and that really makes sense. Okay, good. Then we have done that part. I've done that part. Then 2 marks. And the next one, create and store the following style, basing it on the default or normal paragraph style. To create and store this, that is called of subhead, OF organic subhead. So I'm creating new. So to create new, I can place my cursor at the beginning here just and go to home tab and come here and create a style and call it, let me paste this, that is of subhead, modify style based on normal. Okay, then what else? Serif, it should be serif and 22. Serif is Times New Roman, so you pick Times New Roman. Size is 22. Then alignment center, this alignment, make sure that this is set to 22, very important. Alignment center. Then enhancement, bold and italic, then line spacing single, and you go to line spacing, format, paragraph, line spacing single, then space before 0, space after 4, before 0, space after 4. Just select this to 4. Okay, what else? That's all. Click OK. The next question says take a screenshot to show that you have defined this. Screenshot. Okay, you take this screenshot just like this and copy, then go paste in your evidence document, and that's for step 7. Okay, sorry, I've taken the screenshot. Go back to evidence document and paste it here. Then you remember that after you have applied that, because you place your cursor before creating this, you might need to return this one to body so that it returns to what it was. It's very important. Then the next, okay, we've done this. Identify the 5 subheadings in the document and apply the OF subhead style. 5 subheading. So this is the first one. Select the first one, press down Control key and go to other 5. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the fourth one. Let's go for the fifth one. Okay, this is the fifth one. Okay, good. Then apply the subhead. Okay, good. That is done. Then the next one, locate the table in the document. Delete the entire column and content with the heading 2014. Okay, here is it. This is the table, so this entire column should be deleted with the heading 2014. So you have it, right click on it and say go to delete column. Okay, that is completely deleted. For 1 mark, format the first row of the table so it becomes a single cell with the content center aligned over the other 4 columns. Okay, so you select this way, then you come to our layout and say merge cell. It is center, you can center align it. This align center. Then for 1 mark, format the table so that the table width is set to 10.5 centimeter. The table width is set to 10.5 centimeter. So you can select the entire table from here. Is that okay? Then you come to property. Okay, you can set size of the entire table and measure in centimeters like we have set initially, and set it to 10.5 centimeter, the entire table. That's what the question says, 10.5. And make the table to center align within the column width. All the text in this row displays on one line. Okay, so let's do that. Make the table align. Okay, text wrapping none. Okay, so the content of every cell, vertical alignment, you can see that. So display, let me say okay, you can see. Good, this is beautiful. Then after that, for 3 marks, format the table so that the table width is set, the table is centered within the column width, all text in each row displays on one line. Let's see, it is center within it. Then format only the paragraph that starts a physical barrier. The paragraph that starts, if you can't see it easily, just use the navigation control F. A physical barrier, here is it. Okay, good. You can close this for now. Then what do you do to it? The text is indented 1.5 centimeter from both the left and right margin. So you're doing that to the entire paragraph. So you select the entire paragraph. Okay, you select the entire paragraph. Then you go to paragraph style. They said the whole thing is indented from both right and left, the left and right margin 1.5. So you pick 1.5 centimeter here from left, and from right 1.5 centimeter here. Okay, what else? Then it displays an external 3 to 4 point black border, an external 3 to 4. So after this you can say okay, you have this. Now to set the border to, you can just do it by coming to border line, border, an external border of 3 to 4 point black border. So you can see box. If you look at this is applying to text, but you want it to apply to the paragraph. So the set of 3 to 4, so you can pick between 3 to 4 external, and then it has a light gray 15 to 35%. That's shading. 3 light gray, 3 shading, pick shading, and pick 15 to 35% color shading. Okay, let's see. Okay, 15 to 35, so I can pick 25. Instead of apply to text, apply to paragraph. You understand? And say okay, you have it this way. What else? Okay, that's for 3 marks. The next one, spell check and proofread the document. Spell check, come to review, and go to spelling and grammar. So natural, you can say ignore, since others are like that. Ignore. Okay, so what else? The spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that the list and table are not split over 2 columns. The list and table, look at the list, they are not split. The table not split. Let me see this. Okay, you can see that. This really makes sense. There are no windows or orphan, there are no blank pages. The original styles are maintained. Spacing is consistent between all items. Let's check that, and that is so. No orphan. Let me select all first. Let's see. Select all. Control A. Okay. Let me go to paragraph setting. Window and orphan control is selected to ensure that. Okay, good. Now, no window, no orphan. Save the document using the same file name and format used in step 1. Then print the document for 1 mark, and the total of this is 22. So what you just do, just save to retain the name you use for it, which is organic. Then after that, go to print preview. See the way it looks on paper. This is the page 1 of the document. You can zoom to see page 1, and this is the page 2 of the document. Page 2, you see, this is professionally made, and this will earn you 100%. Okay, no error, no widow, no orphan, consistent spacing, style, everything intact. So this is how we have come to the end of the document production of this paper. I would like you to like this video, share it with other people, and then if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. Till I come your way in the next video, we shall be looking at databases. Thank you. Bye for now. Success in your exam. Bye.